Hi!
Hi!
So in this tutorial we're gonna do this awesome scrunchie. You can do it all colors you want. You can see this one and the one that Juliana is wearing right there. So anyway, let's get started, okay?
Okay.
And here is how Juliana's scrunchie looks from the back. The materials that we'll be using in these tutorials are yarn in the colors of your preference. I will be using Old Glory from I Love This Yarn, also Royal Blue, also red and white. Also, we'll be needing hair ties, crochet hook size I or 5.25 millimeters and scissors. First, we'll start with tying your yarn to the hair tie. For the first row, we'll be doing 49 single crochet. At the end of this first row, you'll be cutting the tail, the first tail, and hide it if you already didn't do so at the beginning while you were doing the 49 single crochet. Finish off with slip stitch at the end of the row while changing with your next color yarn. For the next row or the second row, you will do one chain and then one single crochet on each single crochet of the previous row. Finish off with slip stitch at the end of the row while changing to your next color yarn and then do one chain. On the third row, you'll be doing one single crochet, an increase, and then you're gonna repeat for the rest of the row. So it will be one single crochet, two single crochet, one single crochet on each single crochet of the previous row. Finish off with slip stitch at the end of the row while changing to your next color yarn and then do one chain. On the fourth row, you're going to be doing the same as previous row, changing colors of course. That will be one single crochet, an increase, and then you're going to repeat for the rest of the row. Finish off with slip stitch at the end of the row while changing to your next color yarn and then do one chain. On the fifth row, which is the final row, you'll be doing 3 single crochet, 4 chains, and then you're going to repeat this for the rest of the row. Here you will cut and tie all the loose tails. Finish off with slip stitch at the end of this row. And lastly, here you will cut, tie and hide all the remaining tails. So this is how different styles of scrunchies look all finished. You can do them straight, mixed, solid, however you want to do it. So I hope you have fun doing yours. Remember, if you have questions or requests, you can also leave them in the comments area. You can also participate in the comments by answering questions and help us foster a community of mutual aid. Okay, anyways, I hope you like this tutorial and remember to subscribe.
Subscribe and give us a like, I guess.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, and comment if you have any petitions or questions. So, until the next one, big hug. Ciao.
Ciao.